refresh, refresh, refresh. Hey, you're probably wondering what we're doing. We're very exciting. This morning we just woke up and we saw that our subscribers was at 999, which is pretty exciting. So I'm just refreshing our channel page just so we can see when it ticks over to 1,000. It's pretty cool because when we started making the videos a little while ago, we said, wouldn't it be cool if we had 1,000 subscribers? And we're nearly there, so it's pretty exciting. So we're going to keep refreshing and hopefully soon it will tick over to 1,000. All right, refresh, refresh. 2 hours later. Refresh and refresh. We did it! 1,000 subscribers. We've just ticked over 1,000 subscribers. That means it's celebration time. Party hat. Ready? High five. Well, that's 1,000 subscribers. So thank you for everyone that has watched our videos, that liked our videos, that subscribed. It's really, really appreciate that. It's obviously, we're making videos that you like, which is great. And we're going to continue doing that. And I think, what should our next goal be?
100,000 subscribers.
100,000? Okay, well that's quite a lot. So yeah, let's do that. Let's work towards 100,000. So we need your help. So if you like our videos, please like and subscribe, tell your friends about it. And if you've got ideas or suggestions, things that you want us to draw, it doesn't have to be how to draw videos. It could be any sort of arts and crafts where you want us to make something or do an art challenge or something like that. Check below in the description. We've got some links to our Facebook and Instagram page. You can leave comments there and tell us what you like, and we'd love to hear your feedback there as well. But again, 1,000 subscribers, we're pretty excited. When we first started, we thought, oh, wouldn't it be cool? And now we did it. So, but thank you. I guess we better get back to making more videos.
Yeah.
Alrighty, see you again. Bye.
Bye.